Earlier in the course, we've mentioned that if you use a chromatic borrowed chord, usually you want to quickly come back to your key of your track, so to the diatonic system of your track. Because if you keep the chromatic chord, so not in your key chord for longer, maybe even 2 chromatic chords in a row, you're triggering so-called modulation. And I have an example of modulation here. So technically it is a modulation, but it will sound really bad. So let's hear it. So technically, here is the modulation. In this moment, we are in the different key. So modulation is about going to the different diatonic system. The chord progression is 1, 4, 5, 1. Modulation 1, 4, 5, 1. So the Roman numerals stay the same. And this sounded really bad, and this is not commonly used in modern electronic music. In classical music, it's on daily basis. Do you remember, as we did earlier in the course, borrowing from parallel minor key? Here's what we have done there. And this is the chromatic chord, right? So I have a progression of C major here. Here I have a chord from C minor. And imagine if I stay in this key for the end of the chord progression. So here I did just that. And listen up what's happening here. So what I did here was just to take this note and tell that it's our diatonic chord right now. So I just modulated to C minor. So our progression starts in C major. Then we have a borrowed chromatic chord, which is a trigger to modulation to a parallel minor, which is a C minor.